M15 Public Network Radio Usage Guide. Before starting up, it is necessary to insert the SIM card into the walkie-talkie. Insert the SIM card into the card slot. Install the battery and long press the back button to turn on. The following is the download QR code for the app OD Master, used in conjunction with M15. You need to register an account. You can choose by email. Log in without any verification required. Next is to add a friend. Enter the nickname you want to add. Click Add, and then wait for the other party to agree. Click on Create Channel to create a group. Enter group name. When creating a group, you can also choose to invite friends to join. Just enter the group at the end. Click on Devices. Select M15 and scan the QR code on the screen after booting up. Click Save to complete the binding. Finally, add the group created in the previous step to the walkie-talkie to start using it. Click the Group button. Select Group.
Switching groups. Join Group 15 test.
Press and hold the PTT key to start the intercom. Click on the Contact List button. Select Members. Short press the PTT key to confirm.
Entering the Group 15 -9,699.
Similarly, click on the Contact List button. Select multiple members. Short press the PTT button to confirm and initiate a call to multiple people. If you have any other questions, find us at the following contact information.